So this right here is the Ipsy 2020 February Glam Bag, and the theme was Feel the Love. So let's open this. So here I have the glam bag, and it's really pretty. It's like a kind of purpley pink color. It's really soft. I really like it. So here it is, and you can see what the first item inside is. Oh, so here I have my card. So, as I said, the theme was Feel the Love. So here it has the list of all the items. I won't look at that yet. Here, the first item I have is this hand cream. And it's called Merci Handy, and it says Hello Sunshine on it. It's 1 fluid ounce. It says it's cruelty-free and it's vegan too. So it says the sweet scent of holidays. So probably like a beachy scent or something. Let's see. It smells good. I can't like really pick out one scent. I'll try a tiny bit. Oh, so it has little orange like dots in it, and I think I saw that it was like they're like little crystals that help your skin. The scent is nice. I'm not sure if I really like it, but I could see that some people could like this. It smells a bit too much like grassy or something. The next thing I have is the Super Glazed Lip Cream Half Caked. That's the brand, I think. And it's vegan, I think. It says vegan approved. I'm not sure really what that means. It's a shade Slight Work. It's not really focusing on it. Oh, there. So, it's a nice packaging. It's cute packaging. Yes, it's a shade Slight Work. There was another shade in this that I found really pretty, and it was called Semi Charmed. So I kind of wish I got that instead, but this color seems nice too. It has little shimmery things in it. Let's test it out. Do a little swatch. It's a nice color. It's like, I thought it would be more of a brownish color, but it's kind of reddish orange. Can't really see on camera. But this is the color. It's nice. And I'll move on to the next item. The next item is lip balm. And it says, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but La Véritable Crème de la Pointe lip balm from the brand Polar with 2 A's. This is made with Arctic berries, I think. So it's kind of clear. It is clear. I expected it to be like whitish, but it's not. I think you can use this as like an overnight treatment. But it has one of those like, at the end it's like a tip. I don't know what it's called, but it seems like it could like go on your lips easily. So this is a lip balm. And it's opaque. Or, sorry, translucent. This is the Autobalm Curl Powder Cheeks on the Go from The Balm Cosmetics. And it's a nice packaging. On the inside, it's like this, and it's in the shade Bourbon. It's a nice shade. It seems like something I would probably use, and I'll try and swatch it. Oh, so it's really soft. Oh, so it's a pretty shade. It's kind of similar to the lipstick shade, the lip cream shade, but pinkier and lighter. I like it. And you might be able to see the swatch, it's there. Oh, yeah. It's pretty and it feels nice. And the last item I have is, it's in a box. It's from the brand Color Club, and it is nail lacquer, like nail polish. Oh, I dropped it. It's the shade, it's pretty. Oh, it's the shade Can You Not. It doesn't actually say it on the bottle, but it's on the package. It's pretty, and it seems like something I would use. I'm not sure if lots of other people would use it though. It's like a color for spring, kind of. I'll test it quickly. So it's a pinky purpley shade. It's kind of watery, the nail polish. Yeah, it's very watery. That might just be like at the beginning. It might be a bit watery and then get less watery. It's nice. Yeah, so you can see it's a nice pinky purpley shade. So this is the super glazed in Slight Work, half caked whipped cream. Oh, spilt nail polish. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I'll just do the last show of everything now that I know that this works. This is the lip balm. And its tip is like that. This is the hand cream, the Mercy Handy one. The blush. And so again, this is in the shade Bourbon. It's really nice. And maybe you can see the swatches now. So overall, I think this is a pretty nice mix of products. The bag is really nice and soft, but it's kind of flimsy. So I'm not sure if it would really protect any like makeup, so I wouldn't necessarily put like this or the nail polish or something in it. But you could put like hand cream and everything else. And I'll look at the card and see what all the values are. So the lip balm was actually a full size, and it's $11.03. Oh, by the way, the bag, the glam bag, is $12. So $12 US. The super glazed one is, I think, also a full size, and it's $10. The nail polish in Can You Not is a full size, and the value is $8.50. The hand cream is $7, and the blush, so everything except for the blush is a full size, so that's really nice. The blush, yeah, that usually doesn't happen. It's usually called like deluxe samples. So the blush is also a deluxe sample, and the full size is $26.50. That's probably with other blushes in it too. And it says that it's 8 grams is $26.50, and this is 2.2 grams. Now, to rate the bag, the way I'm going to do this is go through each of the items and see like what I would pay for them, not really exactly what the value is. So here I'm going to be talking in Canadian dollars. So the bag with shipping and tax, because you have to pay for shipping to Canada. To America you don't, for Ipsy. And like in Canadian dollars it would be around $20 for the whole bag. For the bag itself I would pay around $3 Canadian, because it is really nice, except it's flimsy, so that's the only downside. It also has the little Ipsy logo. I didn't show you the inside of the bag, but it's the same color as the zipper. It's like a dark purple color. It's nice. The lip balm is, it's $11. I would pay around $6 Canadian for it. Just because I wouldn't necessarily buy this and then I don't know, it's not really like anything special. Like it is special as in it like moisturizes it well, I think. But it's not like a lip tint or something. Next swiper, I would probably pay $12 at max for this. It's $10 US, and then I would pay like $12 Canadian at max for this. Because I do like the color a lot. It's just I wish I got the semi-charmed one, because that I would have really liked, I think. But this one's nice too, and it seems to go on pretty well. And it says it, I'm not sure if it isn't, but it says it's not tacky, sticky, or goopy. So that's good. The nail polish. Usually nail polish is around like $12. I would pay, the Color Club I know is like a good brand. It's pretty good nail polish. I have a set from them. I would pay around $8.50. Yeah, around $8 I'd pay for the nail polish, because it is a really nice color, but I wouldn't buy any nail polish really that's $12. So this it was $8.50 US. I would pay that amount in Canadian dollars. The hand cream was $7 US dollars, and I would pay, I'm not sure if I really like the scent, so I would pay around $5 Canadian for it. And the blush is really nice. It's a deluxe size sample, but I think you could probably get some use out of this. I would probably get use out of this because I wouldn't wear it like every day, only on certain times. I'd pay around $5 for this actually. It's probably valued at less than that, but $5 Canadian is what I think I would pay. So in total, the values that I made, not the actual values, they equaled up to $33, I think. And I think that's a good value considering I'd pay $20 Canadian. So $33 Canadian is what I mean. Now we'll see what the actual value is. I'll be right back. So the actual value is, I think, $36.50. And then there's also the blush, so it's a bit more. So around $40 is the value in American, and you'd be paying $12 American. So that's a pretty good value. It says it's supposed to be $50 plus is supposed to be the value. I think it was a good bag because there was a lot of full size items. There are some things that, like, I wouldn't necessarily buy the lip balm or the hand cream because I don't really like the scent of the hand cream. But everything else I would buy. So overall, it's a nice Ipsy bag.